Hello everyone, this is Mike and Timber from Attention to Detail in Tempe. I'm going to do a series of videos on detailing this car today. First one I'm going to do is I'm going to do the engine bay. And it's not terrible, but it is definitely dusty. You can see all the dust and grime in there. So, lots of dust. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to fire up my air compressor and pull the car out of the garage, blow off any of the dust, spray on a cleaner. I'll go over that, and then I'm going to rinse it off real lightly. I don't like dousing engine bays with all the electrical. I'm going to use my 120 mile an hour leaf blower and blow out the area, start it up, warm it up, dry everything up. All right, so in the video, I will speed up the process for you, and then at the end, I'll show you the after results and what products I used. All right, so just got done polishing half the car here. I'm going to start on the roof now. Taped off the plastic parts. Real nice product. I use two different ones. I use the Aerospace 303. This is mostly for engine bays now. It's very very liquidy, I guess you'd call it. Very thin spray. So what I did was I just put, after I washed the car, ran it for a while, dried it up. Now I just soak in all the plastic. So that's going to soak in. That's going to keep the plastic soft, black, deep black shine. The other one I use on the interior, which I will show you later, is the Chemical Guys Silk and Shine Dressing. This one is basically same properties, but this one's a little thicker. I like it for the door panels, the dash, all those parts. And we'll be back. All right, I'm just going to show you a quick after video on my own personal car, and you can kind of see the results from the second clip on the detail engine. I haven't sprayed or detailed this engine for probably a month, and you can tell it still looks shiny, clean, a little dusty on the top there, but overall fantastic results. So remember, it's very easy to clean it. You don't want to use a lot of water. Go through the process, washing it, spraying it with a UV protectant, especially in Arizona. Any other questions, shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Have a great day, everybody. This is Mike from Attention to Detail in Tempe.